what are the steps to make a decision?
Okay, just to give you an example, so I'm from a shipping company, so we do chartering of ships, which is equivalent to, say, like your taxi service. We pick up customers everywhere, like your rental of houses. We are the owner, we own the asset, we own the house, as per se, and we try to look for customers. So of course, the number one thing is we have to look at the objective. We have to find employment for the asset. We have to find people to rent the asset. And number two, we have to find the best position. So hopefully, say our ship is currently, say for example in China, we want to sell it to America. Hopefully, you can find customer who can meet this this positioning, and also hopefully the date matches what we are looking for. For example, now it's 1st of Jan. Hopefully, the customer can look for a ship sailing on 1st of Jan and arrive in America on March. So that's according to our plan. So of course, the first thing is we look into the market and see which are the customers who are having the same requirement as what we're looking for. It's impossible to find something that's exactly the same. So we can find customers, say one customer is going from China to say Canada, but it's in February onwards. The other one is going from Indonesia to US, but that's in 1st of Jan. And then the other one is going from China to US, perfect, but it's actually in Feb. So from here we have to do an evaluation. What's most critical among the criteria that we have specified the objective. From there, then we do a ranking. You see which is number 1, number 2, number 3. And from here, the ranking will be based on, say, the credibility of the customers, will be based on the criteria that we have specified. And we'll do a recommendation and see if you need approval process. We'll look into the authority matrix and see whether the next level, the manager, or depending on the contract size, or the CEO will have to approve. From there onwards, if everything is okay, then only we approach the customer according to what we have ranked. So of course, the first customer we'll see, we negotiate on the terms, the contract terms, and see whether if it matches. If it matches, there'll be a deal. If not, then we go for the next one. So if this whole thing goes through, then finally we sign a contract. That's where we execute the contract, and then we perform the contract. So I think this is the whole decision-making process that we use in shipping company.
What happens if you find the decision was wrong after the implementation?
I think one very key important thing is decision making is always needed, and especially based on the timing, it's very critical. You cannot wait, you cannot delay, because that decision will have a different effect if you wait. So for such kind of instance, we usually penalize people for making wrong decisions. But when you have a decision that was not made correctly, you analyze back the situations and see what actually went wrong, what was the reason behind it. It's actually meant for the next time when we do evaluation, it will be more holistic. So for decision making, there's no right and wrong. It's actually more of an art. And for businesses, when we make a decision, it's at the point in time.